Introduction. When it comes to growing top-shelf cannabis, the secret lies beneath the surface, literally. The foundation of any successful grow starts with the soil. But not just any soil will do. We're talking about super soil. This isn't your average dirt. It's a living, breathing ecosystem designed to give your plants everything they need, right from the start. If you're aiming for potent, healthy buds, understanding the ins and outs of super soil is the first step. 1. The basics of soil science. Soil is more than just a medium to hold your plants upright, it's an entire ecosystem in its own right. A well-constructed soil is composed of sand, silt, clay, and organic matter. Each component has a role to play in how your cannabis plants grow and thrive. Sand, silt, and clay. The mineral portion of your soil is made up of these three elements. Sand provides aeration and drainage, silt retains some moisture and nutrients, and clay holds onto nutrients and moisture. The right balance ensures your plants get the oxygen and water they need without becoming waterlogged or starved for nutrients. Organic matter. This is the heart of super soil. Organic matter, such as compost, not only provides a rich source of nutrients but also improves soil structure and water retention. It's also where the microbial life thrives, turning your soil into a living, breathing organism. pH and CEC. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline your soil is, and for cannabis, the sweet spot is slightly acidic, between 6.0 and 6.5. Cation exchange capacity, CEC, refers to the soil's ability to hold onto essential nutrients. The higher the CEC, the better your soil can supply nutrients to your plants over time. 2. Essential ingredients in super soil. To craft super soil that meets your cannabis plant's every need, you'll need to blend specific ingredients. Each plays a vital role in ensuring your soil is rich, fertile, and balanced. Compost, the foundation of super soil. Compost is packed with nutrients and organic material that feeds the microbial life in your soil. Earthworm castings. These are one of the most valuable components, providing rich nutrients and beneficial microbes that enhance plant growth. Bat guano, known for its high nitrogen and phosphorus content, bat guano promotes vigorous growth and robust flower production. Bone meal and blood meal, both are slow-release fertilizers. Bone meal provides phosphorus and calcium, while blood meal supplies nitrogen, essential for leafy growth. Rock dust. Rock dust replenishes trace minerals that might be missing from your soil, ensuring your plants get a balanced diet. 3. The importance of organic matter. Organic matter is the lifeblood of super soil. It improves soil structure, enhancing water retention and air circulation, which is crucial for root development. But perhaps most importantly, organic matter feeds the vast network of microbes that turn your soil into a powerhouse of plant nutrition. Humic and fulvic acids. These are naturally occurring acids found in decomposed organic material. They enhance nutrient uptake and improve the overall health and structure of the soil. Think of them as supercharged supplements for your plants. Microbial life. A healthy population of microbes is what transforms organic matter into plant-available nutrients. Bacteria, fungi, and protozoa work together to create a thriving ecosystem, helping your plants grow stronger and healthier. 4. pH management in super soil. Getting the pH right is crucial for nutrient uptake. If the pH is off, your plants can't absorb the nutrients in the soil, no matter how rich it is. To maintain the ideal pH, natural pH adjusters. Lime is great for raising pH, while sulfur can lower it. These slow-release amendments will help you maintain a balanced pH over time. Regular testing. Keep an eye on your soil's pH with a reliable meter. Small adjustments are better than big ones, so tweak it gradually as needed. 5. The role of beneficial microbes and protozoa. This is where the magic really happens. Beneficial microbes, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, are the unsung heroes of super soil. They break down organic material into plant-available nutrients, protect against harmful pathogens, and even help with water retention. Bacteria. These microorganisms break down organic matter into nitrogen, a vital nutrient for plant growth. They're like the builders in your soil, constantly working to keep things running smoothly. Fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, extending their reach and improving nutrient and water uptake. They also help protect against diseases. Protozoa. These tiny organisms feed on bacteria, releasing nitrogen in a form that plants can absorb. They're key players in keeping the soil ecosystem balanced and healthy. Conclusion: so there you have it, the foundation of super soil laid bare. Understanding these basics is crucial if you want to cultivate cannabis plants that are healthy, vigorous, and capable of producing top-notch buds. We've covered soil composition, the role of organic matter, and the importance of beneficial microbes. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to crafting a soil mix that will keep your plants thriving.